My workshop is finally done, so today I'll give you a little tour to see what I've made. So starting from the entrance and in, I have all my stacking boxes and all my craft supplies in this drawer system from IKEA. I have a little table with spray paint, and I have a lot of my blanks on the top shelf. We built our own palette table from which I will make my future tutorials, so this is a little sneak peek on the next one. I still have some stuff that doesn't belong in my workshop. I need to sell my toddler's kitchen as example, but anyway, this is how it looks. So over here I will be painting with this little paint station. I have my laser cut built phone holder for my paint tutorials. Over here I have this amazing long table where I already added some of my lasers. If I move around, you can see the palette table again. And over here I also have my mun pots. I will be building some more ventilation, which will attach over here, where I have my 100-watt CO2 laser from Viva. Also, we built these storage units for all my other lasers. So my idea is, because these are on wheels, is that I can drag out my shelves whenever I need to use the lasers which are in the unit. Over here I have my laser picker corner. I have the LP5, LP4 and LP2. I currently have my Creality Falcon A1 set up because I am going to make a few tutorials on this laser, since I am attending as a speaker in an online event later this year. I already added a ton of my materials. I have plywood, acrylic, I have masonite, also called hardboard, and I have so much craft supplies that I probably don't have to buy anything else this year. Or let's see, I am a total hoarder of craft supplies. I also decided that when I'm going to start up my business, I'll be attending some craft events. So I already prepared some cute little trays here with some of my engravable items, and I'll use my laser pickers and have them standing at my booth so I can engrave on the spot. But this is my craft space as is, or my workshop. And as said, the only thing I need now is to install an additional pipe in this pipe so I can use it for all my other lasers. If you have any questions about my space or how I built some of it, I do have a video on how I built my rolling palette table here. But just ask your questions in the comment sections, and I am more than happy to show and share. All my files for trays and boxes, etc. can be found on my Etsy shop and also my website. I am already affiliated with most of these laser brands, so I'm affiliated with Overture, Manport, Creality Falcon, Laserpicker and Agma. So if you want discounts, you can check out my website, mimodesignlaserfiles.com, where I have all my affiliate links and discount codes listed. I do have discount codes for other brands as well, so feel free to check that out. And I'm really excited to hopefully soon be making a lot of tutorials coming your way. If there are anything that you are interested in me sharing or showing or teaching, drop a comment below and I will make some more videos and content that you actually want. Also, feel free to join my Facebook communities. I have my own group, Laser Up with Mimo Design, and I also have a larger group called Laser Files and Community for everyone, and I would love to see you there. See you soon, guys!